Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome to our culinary journey through the vibrant streets of Lebanon. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we dive into a world of flavors, aromas, and textures that will leave you craving for more. Today, we're counting down the top 5 must-try street food dishes that you simply can't miss. From savory pastries to mouth-watering wraps, Lebanon's street food scene is a true feast for the senses. So buckle up and get ready to embark on an unforgettable gastronomic adventure. Manouche. This, my friends, is not just food, it's an emotion. Imagine, the sun's barely up, a gentle breeze is blowing, and the aroma of freshly baked bread fills the air. That's the magic of manouche. Picture a thin, almost translucent dough, stretched to perfection, and then topped with your heart's desire. The classic, Zaatar, a mix of wild thyme, sumac, sesame seeds, and olive oil. It's tangy, earthy, and oh so addictive. Next up, we have the mighty falafel. These little golden brown balls of goodness are a staple in Lebanese cuisine and a vegetarian's dream come true. Made from ground chickpeas, herbs, and spices, falafel is deep-fried to crispy perfection, creating a symphony of textures in every bite. Imagine biting into a hot, crunchy falafel, the inside soft and fluffy, the flavors of cumin, coriander, and parsley exploding in your mouth. You can enjoy it on its own, dipped in creamy hummus or tangy tartar sauce. But the real deal is experiencing it tucked inside a warm pita bread, with pickled turnips, fresh vegetables, and a generous drizzle of tahini sauce. It's a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Chapter 3. Shawarma, a Lebanese icon. Let's talk about shawarma, the undisputed king of Lebanese street food. This iconic dish needs no introduction. Picture this: thin slices of marinated meat, stacked high on a rotating spit, slowly roasting to juicy perfection. The aroma alone is enough to make your stomach rumble. As the meat cooks, it's shaved off the spit and then wrapped in a thin, soft pita bread, along with a medley of toppings. You can choose from chicken, beef, or lamb shawarma, each with its own unique flavor profile. And the toppings? Oh, the toppings! From creamy garlic sauce to tangy pickles and spicy sauces, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Sfeeha, a meat lover's paradise. Calling all meat lovers, this one's for you. Sfeeha, also known as lamb biagin, is a type of Lebanese meat pie that will have you licking your fingers in no time. Imagine a thin, crispy dough, generously topped with a flavorful mixture of minced meat, onions, tomatoes, and a blend of aromatic spices. Baked to perfection in a hot oven, Sfeeha is best enjoyed straight out of the oven, while the crust is still warm and flaky. The juicy meat filling, infused with the flavors of the spices, will tantalize your taste buds with every bite. It's a true carnivore's delight. Chapter 5. Ka'ak, the simple pleasures. Last but not least, we have ka'ak, a humble yet beloved street food that holds a special place in the hearts of many Lebanese. This sesame-covered bread ring is a testament to the fact that sometimes simplicity is key. It's the perfect on-the-go snack, whether you're rushing to work or simply exploring the streets of Lebanon. Thanks for joining us on this delicious tour of Lebanese street food. We hope we've inspired you to add some of these mouth-watering dishes to your culinary bucket list. Remember, Lebanese cuisine is all about sharing, so grab a friend, head to your nearest Lebanese restaurant or street food stall, and get ready to experience a symphony of flavors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. We're always on the hunt for new and exciting dishes to share with you. Which dish are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.